Hey guys, so Hisense announced the Hisense P50, a rugged tablet that comes equipped with decent features. The tablet is ideal for difficult terrains such as construction sites and other outdoor activities. Currently, there is no word regarding its price or availability, but it seems the device will be limited to the Chinese market. In terms of specs, there are some details that are reviewed already, and let's quickly dig into it. The Hisense P50 comes with a 10.1-inch Full HD IPS display, and it is equipped with a capacitive stylus. It is rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is resistant to water, dust, high pressure water, and even the harshest temperatures. The phone is equipped with the Unisoc Tiger T760 chipset, which is said to offer similar performance as the Snapdragon 765G. I'm not too familiar with this chipset, so I won't bother talking much about it. Also, the device is equipped with 6 customizable keys that you could customize in any way that you want. The phone is backed up by a 6000 mAh battery, and I believe it's going to support fast charging, but there's no details about that now. The device is equipped with a 48MP primary camera. The selfie isn't revealed, but I expect it to be 8MP or 13MP selfie. The device would be available in 2 memory configurations, 6GB RAM and 120GB, and 8GB RAM and 256GB memory configurations. Like I mentioned earlier, the Hisense P50 is not available yet, and it seems it's going to be limited to the Chinese market only, but the device is definitely a feature-packed rugged device. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Hisense P50, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.